My Dog Spot by Rodney Bennett. I have a white dog whose name is Spot, and he's sometimes white and he's sometimes not. But whether he's white or whether he's not, there's a patch on his ear that makes him Spot. He has a tongue that is long and pink, and he lolls it out when he wants to think. He seems to think most when the weather is hot. He's a wise sort of dog, is my dog Spot. He likes a bone and he likes a ball, but he doesn't care for a cat at all. He waggles his tail and he knows what's what. So I'm glad that he's my dog Spot. My Dog Spot by Rodney Bennett. I have a white dog whose name is Spot, whose name is Spot, and he's sometimes white, and he's sometimes not. But whether he's white or whether he's not, there's a there's a patch on his ear, a patch on his ear that makes him Spot. He has a that is long and pink, and he lulls it out when he wants to think. He seems to think most when the weather is hot. He's a wise sort of dog is my dog Spot. He likes a bone, and he likes a ball, and he likes the ball, but he doesn't care for a cat at all, for a cat at all. He waggles his tail, and he knows what's what. So I'm glad that he's my dog. He's my dog Spot. 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 Subscribe to Ed Chirp and press the bell icon for new notifications.